Suspect. For Central Ontario. Ontario Amber Alert. Police. Overlay op. Police contact. CST Jim Edwards. Child. White male. 8 to 13 years old. Thin build. Dark blue winter coat with neon green accents. Matching snow pants. Dark winter boots and winter hat. Abductor. 5 foot 11 inches. White male. Medium build. Dark thick hair. Wearing a black jacket with blue jeans. Vehicle. Toyota Sequoia. Silver in color. Location last observed. Bond Street at West Street, Aurelia, Ontario. Vehicle last seen southbound on West Street. Possible destination. Unknown at 10:04 p.m., March 6th, 2016. Effective until 3 a.m., March 7th, 2016.